Hello everyone, I am Prashant Kalidas Kaule. So the subject is hydraulics pneumatics. In that today we'll go for one component, important component. It is known as a reservoir in hydraulic system. So function of a reservoir. So first of all, important function to serve as a storage space to provide a chamber in which any changes in a volume of a fluid in a hydraulic circuit can be accommodated to provide a filling point for the system to fluid its condition means exactly to allow entrant air to separate out and heavy containment to settle to accomplish a dissipation of a heat. So these are known as the fluid conditioner. So reservoir act as a fluid conditioner. So exactly in front of you, a 3D view of a reservoir. So if you see, it is just like a box, a rectangular box. It has a support at the bottom. So if you see, it is divided by some plates. It is known as the baffles. At the bottom, there is a drain plug to remove all the oils. Okay, it has a filling point and it has the return line, and obviously there is a air breather. So there is a in case of a hot region, so there is maybe fumes is accumulated, so there should be that fume should be coming out with the help of air breather, slight glass to check the level, and filler cap for top up. So today view exactly, just see what are the elements present in the reservoir. Just we have talk, return line, suction strainer, quick release coupling, baffles. What is a baffles? They are increase the time of travel between return line and suction line. So this will help to dissipate the heat due to increase in travel time, and there is a helpful for settlement of the foreign particles. So this is our reservoir design. Most of the times we use a rectangular but horizontal, not a vertical, for best heat transfer rate. We are use vertical fins, not a horizontal not recommended. Sizing of a reservoir: minimum reservoir capacity should be 2 times pump's delivery rate, LPM. The reservoir capacity should be 3 to 4 times pump delay in terms of mobile applications. So starvation of the component should be avoided. Must make allowance for dirt and chip to settle and air to escape. It must be able to hold all the oils. Sizing of a reservoir: continue. It must maintain the oil level high enough to prevent the whirlpool effect. It should have a large surface area to dissipate heat generated in a system. It should have adequate air space to allow for a thermal expansion. Okay, so we'll stop here. So this is the end of the reservoir session.